Hello, New here, and welcome to another motorcycle feature. Right in front of you is the CF Moto CLC 450. This is the cruiser type motorcycle that you can get at CF Moto Motostrada. So, let's go. Given this is a cruiser, it has one of the lowest seat heights that you can get. So it is very accessible to every kind of rider. So my height is 5'6" with a 30-inch inseam, and this is what it looks like when I sit on the CLC. Oh. Sobrang baba. Naka-fold pa yung aking tuhod. Okay, for the foot pegs, medyo bandang harap. So kapag inapakan mo, nakaabante yung paa. And it applies as well sa shifter pedal. Okay, so for its engine, it is a parallel twin and then 270 crankshaft siya. So ang tunog niya ay parang V-twin. And ito nga pala yung owner, si Miss Trina. And then for its tank, medyo manipis siya pag tinignan sa harapan. But it has a very welcoming cockpit. Yung kanyang handlebar, mas madaling abutin dahil sa kanyang shape. And may riser din. Yung kanyang stock tailpipe, napakaganda, dual exhaust yan. Lahat ng kanyang ilaw ay LED na. And ito ang kanyang TFT display. Yung susian niya nasa gilid din like other cruisers. And ito ang itsura. So throughout, mayroon siyang magandang details, including the headlight. And then may makikita ka 1989, in which says kung kailan nagsimula ang CF Moto. You can see it here as well. Okay, para sa harapan niyang suspension, meron siyang upside down forks, and then single disc brakes. Yung kanyang gulong sa harapan is 16 inches, and then may lapad na 130 by 90. And then sa likod naman, 16 inches din, meron siyang lapad na 150 by 80. So tulad ng ibang cruisers, belt drive din siya. Okay, meron tong slipper and assist clutch. Kaya yung clutch pull niya ay sobrang gaan. Kahit one finger lang. Kasama natin si Miss Trina of Kika is Elite. Siya ang may owner nitong CLC 450. Ang height niya is 5'2", and ganito ang itsura sa isang 5'2" na lady rider. Flat foot, no? So that's it for the 450 CLC. You can actually purchase one for 287,900 Philippine pesos, and you can get one at Motostrada, Caloocan.